Hi there, it's Rachel with Remax up in Big Bear, your go-to for all things real estate. If you are selling your home or thinking about it, this video is for you. I'm about to dive into some tough truths that every seller needs to hear, so buckle up. These are the top 10 most annoying mistakes that sellers make when trying to sell their home. And trust me, they can cost you big time. Stick around till the end for a bonus tip that just might save your sale. All right, let's get into it. All right, I might ruffle a few feathers today. First up, sellers staying at the open house or showing. Buyers, back me up in the comments here. It is awkward. Sellers, I get you want to protect your biggest asset, but lingering around or trying to sell your own home is a huge turnoff. Buyers might just straight up walk out. If you're nervous, set up cameras. You can monitor your home without creeping on buyers. So just trust me, staying there makes everyone uncomfortable. Next up, depersonalization. I have said it 100 times, remove the family photos, diplomas, and yes, the random flip-flops in the backyard. Your home should look like no one lives there. If buyers ask, do the sellers live here? That's a win. Make your house feel like a blank canvas, not like they're intruding in someone else's space. Oh, and please, no pets during the showings. I love animals just as much as the next person, but buyers, not always. If I have to wrangle a dog or dodge a cat, it's not helping anyone. And let's be real, your pets might have a little smell to them. Buyers can smell it and they don't love it. And while we're on smells, if you've got teenagers, do a smell check. I love kids, but let's face it, my kids sometimes can smell, and they bring an odor into the house that buyers are not used to. Air things out, keep it fresh. Another thing, stop arguing about paint colors. When I tell you to paint your house white, just do it. It's not forever, and it's the best bet for selling. Whisper, White Dove, Swiss Coffee, they all work. Skip the grays and the bold colors. Trust me, no buyer has ever walked in and said, why did they paint the house white? Here's a big one. Clean up. No one wants to see dirty ovens, grimy sinks, or pizza sauce on the cabinets. The details really matter and buyers notice. Let's make sure your home sparkles before any showing. Number 7, make your home show ready. I'm not your cleaning service or dog walker. I will do my part, but you've got to have the house in tip-top shape for every showing. We're a team here. On to marketing. If your house isn't selling right away, don't start badgering your agent about what more can we do. Trust me, we're doing everything possible to get your home out there. But if the market is slow, it's not going to sell overnight. And if the price isn't right, well, that's a whole other conversation. Speaking of price, be realistic. Your house isn't worth what you think just because you renovated 10 years ago. Buyers want new, shiny, and trendy. If it's overpriced, it's just going to sit there. Finally, contingent offers. If you found your dream home but need to sell yours first, don't expect a miracle. The market is slowing and your home needs to be priced right to move. And please don't submit a contingent offer if your house isn't even on the market. That's a huge waste of everyone's time, including yours. All right, I know that was a bit of tough love, but I'm here to help you get your home sold. If you found this helpful, please hit like and subscribe. I am here to give you the truth, and sometimes that truth is just a little tough. Again, I'm Rachel Smith with Remax and Big Bear, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.